guys have that? 30%.
Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Happy Thursday to everybody. As far as the markets are concerned, overnight we started higher. Beans have sold off and now are lower on the day. Corn and wheat still higher, but corn's almost unchanged. The big news yesterday was the Fed came out and talked a little bit more hawkish than what I think some people had thought. It has rallied the dollar and is beginning to offer some resistance to our stock market and the European stock market. Asian markets are up, and I continue to hear talk about some reform in China that may help their economy. So I'm not sure exactly how different markets are trading right now, but it seems like the higher dollar is offering some resistance to commodity markets. Over in the grains, we did see a little pickup in farmer selling of beans here in the U.S. and also in Brazil. Overnight there was a surprise rally in the real due to an unexpected increase in interest rates down there. So we'll kind of have to watch that situation down there. Export sales supposed to be good in beans and corn, maybe a little light in wheat. And the debate keeps going on with all the fundamentals, bearish beans, but the price is rallying a lot more than people had anticipated. Some link that to meal, and some link that to Argentina not exporting as much meal as they normally do, and others due to lack of rail cars getting meal here in the United States, in the eastern part of the United States, to the end users. And just market's kind of wondering if all that is temporary and eventually prices of beans pull back. As far as corn and wheat is concerned, a lot of people think the bottoms are in for corn and wheat for a while. Maybe the fact the farmers not selling enough corn into the pipeline and looking ahead in 2015 and maybe a lower supply in the United States might be helping corn. And in the wheat, world cash prices might be firming up and maybe have made a bottom because of the lack of overall quality. We are seeing a lower estimate for the Russian crop for 2015. So the market's still bearish beans, still kind of friendly, or at least maybe some bottoms have been put in corn and wheat. Don't expect it to go very far. And the next key USDA report is November 10th, and that's when they'll come out with a new crop estimate here. Most people think the crop will get bigger, but in the case of beans, maybe the demand will also get bigger. And in the corn, we're not quite sure how big the crop's going to get and whether that's going to offer some resistance to the market when the numbers come out. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
That's his favorite play. She was at the football game last